Hello friends, welcome to SATI Learning. Today we will learn inheritance in Java. So inheritance is the one of the core pillar of OOPS concept. So the definition of inheritance is the process by which one class acquires the properties, that is data members, and functionalities, that is methods of the another class, is called inheritance. The aim of inheritance is to provide the reusability of code so that a class has to write only unique features and the rest of the common properties and functionalities can be extended from the other class. To inherit a class, we need to use extends keyword when we are doing the programming. So now we will see what is a superclass. Superclass is the class whose features and inherited is known as superclass, or it's also called as base class or parent class. Subclass, the class that inherits the other class, that is, it inherits the superclass, is known as subclass. Also, it's called as derived class, extended class, or child class. The subclass can add its own fields and methods in addition to the superclass fields and methods. Inheritance supports the concept of reusability. Now we will go through the types of inheritance. So there are three different types of inheritance. The first one is simple inheritance. The simple inheritance or single inheritance. In single inheritance, subclasses inherit the features of one superclass. In below image, a class A, that is the car class, is the base class or a superclass. Class B, that is the model class, is the subclass. So now we will go through the lab exercise. Now I will open Eclipse IDE for the lab exercise. It's loading. So I have opened the Eclipse IDE. Now we will create a new project. We will create a Java project. We will give a name Java Lab. So it's using the Java environment. So we'll create a new Java class. We'll give name single inheritance test. We will add a public static void main. So now we will go to this PPT. So we will create a we need to create a superclass car and subclass model. So we will go to Google and find some car details. So we'll select anyone for our demo. So I'm creating a class car. String car name. Void print car name. So car name, I'm printing the car name. Should be lowercase. So I'm creating a class car model. Void print car model. Car model. Car model. So now we are extending car, the superclass, in the subclass. So now we will create the object for the superclass. Car equal to new car. Car model, this is the subclass. New car model. So I'm setting value for the car. Car dot car name equal to Mercedes Benz. System dot out dot ln car dot print car name. Here I am printing the car name. So now I am calling the car model. Print car model. So here I am setting the value for car model. So this is the car model. So now let's run this project as a Java project. Go and run as Java application. So we are getting the values. So car name, Mercedes-Benz car model is the GLS. So now what we will do is like we will add one more method void print all car details. So now we will print car name plus car model. So we can see like how the inheritance works. So now what we will do is like again we will call the car model dot car name equal to like we will mention Mercedes-Benz car model dot car model equal to I'm mentioning the model name. So now we will call car model dot print all details. So this will print both the car name and car model. So we are using the subclass to access the methods and variables of the superclass. So now we will run this class again, run as Java application. So now we see here like first we are printing the car name using the superclass, and we are calling the subclass and printing the car model, and now we are calling subclass and passing the both the car name and car model to the subclass, and the subclass is accessing the superclass and getting the car name and car model and printing both the details. So in the next lab we will see the next lab. So the next type of the inheritance is multi-level inheritance. So multi-level inheritance is when a class extends a class. So this is the superclass. So which extends another class, then this is called multi-level inheritance. So now we have a superclass car, and so the subclass is the model class. This is the intermediate class, and we have another subclass called color. So it's a derived class. So like so the class color are extends the class model extends class car. Now we will see the demo like how to create multiple inheritance. So now we will go to the lab exercise. We will create a new class. So multi-level inheritance test. So we are creating a class car. Car name, void print car name, system dot out dot print ln car name plus so now we will create the second class model. Class model string car model. We'll copy this. Car model, car model. We are printing the car model. So the model class extends superclass car. Make it caps car. So now we have a car name. It's printing the car name and the car model. So it extends superclass car name, and we are printing the car model here. And so we are creating the third class, class color extends car name. So string car color. So we'll print car color. So this extends car model. So now we will create an object for class we'll create color col or color equal to new color. So we'll set color dot car name. See, now we able to get the color name. So that is the super class variable actually here. So we'll get copy paste the car name color dot car model equal to, so this is the car model. Color dot car color equal to, so red. So now I am calling the print method, color dot print car color. So let's see and run the output. Run as Java application. So we are getting only the car model. So if you want to get all the details like car name, car model, and car color, so we'll add one more method here. So print car details. So I'm printing car name, car name plus car model plus car model plus car color plus car color. So now I'm calling color dot print car details. So now let's see like what is the output. So I'm running this project, run as Java application. See now you can see like we are getting car name Mercedes-Benz, car model GLS, and we are getting car color red. So like this lab gives the details of like how multiple inheritance used in Java actually. So like to ramp up, like we have a class name super class that extends extended by model class, that is the intermediate class. So another one is the color subclass, it extends intermediate class model. So from the subclass color we can retrieve all the details from the model class and the car class actually. So this is the example for multi-level inheritance. So in the next type is hierarchical inheritance. So the hierarchical inheritance is the class having a super class, that is the base class. So and we will be having more than one subclass. In the below image we are having the super class car, and we are having the subclasses, the variant petrol, and the variant diesel, and the variant electric car. So like so in this way we can achieve hierarchical inheritance actually. So there is another way of achieving hierarchical inheritance. So we can achieve this through interface also. Now we will go through the demo. So we'll go to the hierarchical inheritance lab exercise. New class, test. So I'm creating a class car class. So we'll go to this and we'll copy paste, so it will save the time. So the next class is class car petrol extends car class. String fuel type. Type. So I'm printing the fuel type. So like this we can create multiple subclasses. This car diesel, this is class electric, extend superclass is the one. So now we will create the object. Go to new car class, class dot car name equal to this. So now we'll create electric car. Car electric dot car name equal to, so we'll print the car details here. Print car name, so car name. So here like dot fuel type equal to, I'm giving petrol, so I can call the car name, print fuel type, so I can set dot car name equal to Mercedes-Benz. So fuel type, so in the fuel type I will add both the details, so car name and So now we will run this car class, run as Java application. So now if you see here, like this is the super class. So I'm printing the car name, so it's giving only the car name. So here, like in the car class, I can't access fuel type. So because this is it's there in the subclass, but in the subclass I can access superclass methods and variables. So this is the example for hierarchical inheritance. So in the next two exercises we will see like how to achieve hierarchical inheritance through interface. So we'll create a new class. So hierarchical interface test. So we'll create a new interface called car interface. We'll create a method here, public void print car name. So the next interface is interface. So the next one is model car model interface. Print car model. So now I create a class car color, or like select car extends interface comma car model interface. So now we have created the interface car interface. So it's printing the name and creating the interface model to print the car model name, and select the car. It implements both the interfaces. So it means like we should implement both the functionalities here, like print car name. I'm printing the car name and I'm printing the car model here. So now I am creating a new function here, print select car. I'm calling the car name and car model. So now we will create a object for the subclass select car s car equal to new select car. So I'm calling s car dot print select car. So now we will run this, we'll clear the screen and we'll run this class. So now if you see the output, we are getting car name and car model. So the select car is the child class. It implements the two interfaces, car interface and car model interface. So when we are calling the print select car, it's calling the print car name and print car model. Suppose like if we comment this to comment this function, so let's see what happens. So we are getting the error actually. So multiple markers at the line. So the type select car must implement the inherited abstract method. So this is very important. So like the interface forces us to implement the all the features of the parent class actually. So that's it on the Java inheritance. So if you have any comments, then please post me in my YouTube channel. So I will answer this your questions. And if you want to have any new topics to be covered, please also mention. I will cover in my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.